So hi everyone, how are you all? I think you all are fine because I'm here. So all of you wanted to say I'm recording this video secretly because front of me lots of people sitting and I'm talking front of the people, okay? And just back up that my mobile phone. I have the laptop and my mobile is not looking all people's fine. I'm started. So hi bro, today we are talking about learning coding. What is my coding journey and how I am celebrating this journey and how it's good for me. So let's start. So I wanted to start my speech front of here like hi everyone. Okay. So my name is Deepak Kumar. My name is Deepak and today I wanted to talk about something that has changed my life. Okay, that is coding, obviously, because I'm talking about coding, so it's changed my life because I'm speaking and because you can also understand the things, what is the importance in your life. Fine. So anyway, at first coding looks very difficult for me. When I was started, coding looks like very difficult. It feels like it's very difficult for me because that's my first time. Whenever I'm doing first time anything, it looks very difficult. Okay, but also I'm curious for that, so I think it's not a very difficult. With curiosity can lose difficulties. Okay, so biggest thing is curiosity. Okay, so let's start. So many lines, strange symbols and confusing errors, but slowly as I start learning, I realize coding is not just about writing program, it's about solving problems. So I wanted to say you sorry to say, but I am facing difficulties to speak in front of that people's and people's don't feel you don't need to feel bad because it's my learning and I am learning here and I know I can speak. So let's again start. Okay, so many lines, strange symbols and confusing errors. When I was started to learning coding and doing coding, so it's many lines, very difficult symbols and confusing errors. It feels me like it looks like very biggest problem for me because I never seen that type of things flow. So but slowly as I start learning, I realize coding is not just about writing programs, it's about solving problems. Coding is not just about writing programs. So many people think like whenever you are doing coding, you are writing multi lines of code. You have to know how to type multiple times. Typing you need to typing. It's not a typing job, bro. It's a logical job because you have to understand the problem and solve it. Okay, main goal is here. You need to understand the problem solving, how to solve that problem. Like here are just sitting multiple peoples, and if you have any peoples have one problem, you can tell me and you can tell me, and whatever you are telling me, that is the problem. And when I can solve this problem, it's a problem solving. So problem solving is very important in our programming. Fine, let's go ahead. Okay, it's our solving problem now. When I write code and it finally works, when I was writing code and that's work finally, so I feel like magician. I'm doing some magics in my front of me, and whatever is going, it's like literally it's like a magic, right? Because it's new for me and it looks like, oh, what is this, man? It's give me output and it's a wonderful things. I can build everything like using my engineering minds. Okay. It gives me the power to create websites, building applications, and maybe one day develop something that helps millions of people. Okay, that things gives me power to create applications, websites, and maybe one day developing something that helps millions of people in our world. And I'm done this, bro. I'm doing this, bro. I know, I believe in me. And I also loved how coding teaches patience, and focus. Coding also teach you, bro, focus and patience. If you are not focused, you can't do it. And if you have not any patience, you are facing lots of problem in this. And you can give up, bro. You can give up if you have no patience, because it can test you multiple times in your learning journey. Okay, so let's go here. What okay, nice. Sometimes frustrating, sometimes also frustrating, sometimes it's also frustrating. It's like a game, and sometimes frustrating when your program is not run, and when your program is not run because of some little errors. And biggest error, it makes you frustrating, and when it's run, it's look like magic, and you feel like it's a game, and you are continued again. Fine. Do you know why I'm waiting? I'm waiting because of many people are telling something me, and I'm just listening them, and I'm answering this question. Fine. Don't understand, I'm hesitating to speak. Fine. You can't speak that person voice because I'm using this microphone. Okay, that's what's up. So I wanted to end this session and I want to end this session for this last line. That's, I'm still learning, I'm making mistakes, but every time I'm improving. Okay, so everyone is still learning, or on his life learning is the ongoing process. That's people still learn about when till them is life. Fine. So, and the most beautiful part, I'm growing. I know I'm growing, but I don't want to tell in front of you because I don't think what I'm growing, what I'm doing, and what I'm doing. Okay, so thanks so much for listening me, and I'll meet you next day again. Bye bye. Jen, take care.